I have never flown a real drone before, and today that will change. Every part of the build starts here with the design, then sliced and printed it in PLA to make things as light as possible. And there it is, the skeleton of this build. These are 8520 brushed motors, cheap, small, and exactly what a first build should have. I could have used something like an ESP32 for the brain, cheap, simple, but this is an actual flight controller, same core tech that goes into real racing quad. This is the same controller I have been using in the simulator this whole time. But a controller alone does not connect to anything. It needs a receiver. This is the RadioMaster RP1 ELRS receiver, and it will make sure that the drone actually listens to the controller. I am using 1.5-inch propellers, just enough to generate the lift this quad needs. And this is the last piece, the power. It's a 1000 mAh 30C lithium polymer battery. I am using Clean Flight for the configuration, and first I will test the sensors, then the motors. Everything is working, and now it's time to fly. With this 1S battery, the drone feels very underpowered, so I'm switching to a 2S battery. This 2S battery has way more power than I expected. 3 motors spinning, this motor is dead and I have to replace it.